Hello all, in this video we will try to sort the pandas data frame in ascending order or descending order of the values present in the column. Like what we mean to say is basically we have this particular CSV file, right? And we have projects and defects. Now we can arrange this particular columns in ascending or descending order based on our requirement. So we will see how to do that. First of all, the normal procedure as PD, we are going to import the pandas, and then let us try to read the data file. Okay, PD dot read underscore CSV of the file which we are going to use. Okay, and then print off the data frame. So this is going to print the data frame for us, and now we are going to arrange this particular data frame in ascending or descending order based on our requirement. So for that we have a function called sort underscore values. So what it does is, so we are going to call the function sort underscore values, and we have to give by which parameter we want to sort. Like let us assume we want to sort by defects. Okay, defects is one of the column, right? So let us assume we want to sort by defects. Okay, so this is how we are going to just sort, right? Now if you see here, this function has printed almost the same, right? But if you see here, the previous values are in ascending order, so we did not observe a difference. Now let us try to print it in descending order to see if actually the sort by values are working or not. For this we use the same method, but what we do is say ascending is equal to false. So what we are actually doing here is, by default, when we say sort by values, the arrangement has happened in ascending order. So we are saying let us put the ascending order to false, use the same defects to arrange in descending order. So let's try to run this. You can see the defects got arranged in descending order, that means reducing order, right? Projects with the highest defects got printed. And see, one more thing, this is just, we are analyzing the existing data set which we have and trying to perform these activities. But if you see the actual data set which is there, the CSV file remains intact. These are just operations that we perform and try to get the results. So remember that. So now this got printed in descending order. So we are going to use sort underscore values method to sort the data frame based on the column values. Thank you.